Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Tanusree here. I hope you all are doing good. Today I will share this Rakshabandhan makeup tutorial. Let's get started with the skincare first. Already I cleansed my face. Now I'm using a toner. After the toner sink into my skin, now I'm using this Dermaco 10% niacinamide serum. Taking the product into my hand and warm it up and apply on my face and neck area. Then I'm applying Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. Then I'm using WetnWild Super Dry Matte Finish sunscreen. It works as sunscreen and also works as a primer under your makeup. After applying my skincare, I rest my skin for 10 minutes to settle down the products into my skin, and I will come back in 10 minutes. Completely forget about to apply lip balm. Now I'm applying lip balm after 10 minutes, and this is from Avon Naturals Strawberry Lip Balm. Now let's start with the makeup. I'm applying orange color corrector to cancel out my dark circles and pigmentation around my lips. Now I'm blending the product nicely and wait for 2 to 3 minutes to settle down the product on my skin, that the foundation doesn't look ashy. Then I'm applying foundation all over my face and blending with a foundation brush. Now I'm taking one shade lighter concealer to highlight under my eyes, blend nicely. Then I'm taking cream contour and placing the product using fingers, and I'm using a blending brush to blend all the product nicely. I'm not going to set all over my face. Today I'm T-zone and around my lips. Now the toughest part, my eyebrows. Only fill the sparse areas. This translucent shade on my eyelid and blend the product nicely, that doesn't create any harsh line. I'm using an eyelash curler to curl my lashes and apply double coat of mascara, both the upper and lower lashes. Using a lip liner, then applying liquid lipstick. Applying stick highlighters on the highest point of my face, brush on my cheek little and blend it with brush. Last step is to apply setting spray to lock the makeup. This is my Rakhi special makeup look. I hope this video will helpful to you all, and if you are enjoying watching this video, then please give it a like, share and subscribe, and also comments down below your feedback. Okay then. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. I'm signing off. Bye.